Hi guys, welcome back to North Loop. So today I've got the pleasure of showing you around our beautiful Mercedes-Benz E300 AMG line. This particular model has the upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels. They are the multi-spokes finished in gloss black. We have recently had them professionally powder coated, so they are all unmarked. So we have the polar white on this vehicle, looking amazing. This vehicle also has the night pack, so you get the added benefit of all the extra black accents on the outside. So we work our way around to the front. And there we go. We'll just jump in and get the vehicle started. Alright then. So you also have the two 12.3 inch screens with the Mercedes, absolutely monstrous. You also have the added benefit of the rear view camera just there. So we got the heated seats, which are just located on the door just there as well. So this particular example also benefits from a few extras. So it's got the active park assist. You've also got the blind spot assist, attention assist and collision prevention assist. So that's that. If we work our way around to the rear of the vehicle, I'll go over the service history. Okay, right then, so this vehicle has been serviced 3 times so far. The first on 7,781. The second was on 15,143, which was an oil and a brake service. And the last one, which was done a little over 2,000 miles ago, was on 18,034 miles. The vehicle has also been down to an independent specialist for a mechanical check over. You've got that just there. The tyre depths are just there. So we replaced the rear brakes and pads on this one. The front discs are all good and the front pads are only 50% worn, so loads left on them. Perfect. Right, I'm pretty sure I've probably missed some of the spec out, but any questions or any more information, feel free to give the office a call or drop me an email. Right, that's great. Cheers guys.